Have you ever wondered about the delicate creature that flits past you on a summer's day? Today, we explore interesting facts about butterflies, a tiny jewel of life, dancing on the breeze. Butterflies are more than beautiful insects, they are marvels of survival, transformation, and travel. Scientists have cataloged nearly 20,000 species, each with its own story and pattern. The electric blue morpho, the eye-spotted peacock, and the iconic monarch. From tropical forests to temperate meadows, butterfly species names trace a map of Earth's diversity. Some can taste with their feet to find the perfect host plant for their young. Others see beyond us, into ultraviolet, detecting signals we cannot. So, why do butterflies have bright colors? Warning, camouflage and romance, powered by pigments and microscopic structures that bend light. With butterflies' slow-motion footage, we reveal their flight mechanics. Four wings choreographing lift and control. Not just up and down, but a figure 8 that sculpts the air. The unfurling proboscis, a living straw for nectar. Millions of layered scales paint their wings with physics and pigment. The butterfly life cycle has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, adult. The larva, our caterpillar, is an eating machine, molting as it grows. Inside the pupa, the body reorganizes into something entirely new. Wings expand, harden, and a new life takes flight. Then there is the monarch butterfly migration, an epic relay across a continent. Generation by generation, they journey thousands of miles from northern ranges to Mexico's Oyamel fir forests. How do they navigate? Sun compass, magnetic cues, and instincts refined over millions of years. A small creature, weighing less than a paperclip, completing a legendary voyage. From senses to colors, from metamorphosis to migration. These are the living wonders behind our interesting facts about butterflies. Next, how to attract butterflies to garden, their pollination role, and why protecting habitats matters. You don't need a rainforest. You can welcome butterflies right at home. Here is how to attract butterflies to garden, provide nectar and host plants. Plant buddleia, lavender, verbena, and coneflowers. Sunny, sheltered spots create reliable food sources. Think of caterpillars too. Host plants are nurseries for the next generation. For monarchs, plant milkweed. For black swallowtails, plant dill, parsley, and fennel. Provide water and minerals, shallow dishes for puddling. Add flat stones so butterflies can bask and warm flight muscles. Butterflies' pollination role is vital to wildflowers and some crops. They carry pollen between blooms while drinking nectar. That exchange helps plants set seed and fruit, supporting ecosystems and people. Yet butterfly habitat destruction is accelerating as cities expand and land use intensifies. Meadows vanish, forests fall, wetlands dry, host plants and nectar sources disappear. Without the right plants, caterpillars can't feed and adults can't lay eggs. Climate shifts disrupt bloom timing, making journeys and survival harder. The monarch butterfly migration depends on a chain of intact habitats. Break a link, and the whole population suffers. There is hope. Start with native flowers. Add host plants for local species. Do it in gardens, on balconies, and in community spaces. Reduce or eliminate pesticides. They can be lethal to butterflies and their caterpillars. Many small havens connect into life-saving corridors. Butterflies signal a healthy environment. Care for them, and we care for our planet. If this journey inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more nature films.